What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and you join me right after I got off work. We're coming home and we're putting in some more work on the Supra. Last video we left you off with about 6 panels done. As you can see, we've done the front, little over fender, bumper part, and the part on the door on both sides. And today I want to at least get one full side of the car done. Full side meaning this panel all the way to this panel. So I got some bolts to unscrew, Mike's coming over, Jordan's here to help, and we're going to unwrap hopefully the entire half of the Supra today. And if we can get more done, that'd be even better, mo better. So let's get after it and let's have some fun. Pray for my fingertips. Okay neighbor, I see you. That's sick. F8 in the hood. We out here. Y'all, I think we got all the bolts, and we should just be able to kind of like slide it down. Alright, so it's off, and we're about to see just how disgusting this car is underneath this kit. Can I shut this? Yes. Alright, time to undo the lights and one more parking sensor. BRB. Satisfying. Come on, Jordan, use that strength.
It farted. Oh.
Very nice. You just want to do the rest of the car too?
I'll do this.
That's been on there for like 3 years. Look who else is here. Dun,
back.
dun, dun, dun.
Back from the darkness.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Alright, we got an update. The sun went down, but we are still working hard out here. We've got all of this side disassembled, and also Jordan has been hard at work, and she basically got the front all done as well. I missed that red so much. But we're having some issues with the front badge, and then I got this side all taken off also, so we're going to try to fit it in the garage. We're going to zoom around here real quick. Here's the entire disassembled rear of the kit. Look how freaking dirty it is. All that dirt from our journeys and our many miles. So I'm going to rinse them off, and then we might unwrap a couple more of them tonight before we call it a day. So there's a little update for you guys. I'll see you in a second. Now we get to see if the Supra will actually fit in the garage that previously with the kit on I could not fit in. So let's give it a go. I just gotta pull Mr. Stradman and his Bugatti, but we can fit the Supra in the garage. Let's go!
The next day.
Now it was time to unwrap all the rest of the parts. Did all the small ones, the side skirts, and then all I had left was the big panels. But we had an issue, so I called in some reinforcements to get the wing off. That was definitely not fun, but after that was all taken care of, we had an unwrap the Supra party where everyone got to come over and take a little bit of the pink and make some history.
The next morning.
Okie dokie, fellas. This is the final piece of the Supra. We got the wing off yesterday, and I'm ready to be done unwrapping this thing. As you can see, we have all the panels there, and now behind me, and now way over there. So, last piece here, and then we're gonna go drop the kit off tomorrow. But one thing I've noticed unwrapping all of these things is that some of these pieces are like damaged in certain ways. Like, check this out. So on this side, it's a nice like kind of curve right there. And on this side, it looks like a chunk got taken out of it. Now, I don't know if that's just like how it came from Japan or something happened on the install, but I guess this is why it's good to know how to do things yourself, because then you know if stuff like that happens, instead of spending thousands and thousands of dollars to get the kit installed elsewhere and then not knowing what goes on. So I guess just a heads up. I'm sure you already know, for all the car people out there, try to do it yourself, and if you don't know how to do it, make sure you find a reputable shop you trust to do your big car part things. So let's finish this and be done unwrapping the Supra body kit.
Oh, it's almost there. Jesus. Yes. That sucks.
Today is the day, you guys. We're dropping off the wide body kit for paint. I'm pretty proud of myself. I did it all, either me or with me and Jordan. And I even got the rest of the car unwrapped today. That made my fingers hurt. Let me tell you what, I see why shops charge so much money for that stuff. But now I patiently await the kit to return. I've got a flight to catch tomorrow, so let's drop this off and then we wait. All right, we brought them here to Revemoto and they're all dropped off. And my man's gonna walk us through kind of the process of what's gonna go down.
Yeah, definitely. So right now, since we don't know what kind of material it is, we're gonna go ahead and paint one the way we usually paint it, and then we'll do like a peeling test. So that usually what it consists of is like a razor blade, and we try to lift the paint. So if it doesn't lift, then it's successful, and that's how we're gonna go ahead and do it. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and do the color match on it because of the type of material it is. We don't know if ABS or fiberglass or polyurethane, it'll cause a difference in the actual color of the vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and do a color match test on that. And then if everything goes well, we're gonna go ahead and paint everything that you need it to be painted red, and then that one black, and you should be good to go.
Sweet. I'm looking forward to it very much. Next time you see these pieces, they will look very, very different. Thank you very much, my man.
You're welcome.